Now that you've created your Find and Browse form, let's now create a Swift View Action form and map to the already created Find and Browse form. View Action form will let the end users to view details and take actions on S4 HANA data records. Let's dive in. Look for the Import View Action form option and give it a click. A pop-up will appear. Now in the pop-up, start by giving your form a name. Next, select the module, Application, Entity, an entity action that best fits your form's purpose from the drop-downs. Once you're done, hit the Import button. Great! You're now in the View Action Form Designer. All the fields from S4 HANA have already been imported and auto-integrated. Go ahead and customize these fields that are already imported to better fit your needs. You can also drag and drop fields as you like to suit your preferences. You can add multiple tabs and place the fields within them for easier navigation and better user experience across all device form factors. It's all about making it work just right for you. Further customize the form by dropping other controls such as e-signature, camera control, and other no-code controls to further customize the form to fit your business needs. You can drop action buttons and perform a complete no-code integration with the relevant SAP module. Select the SAP module you want to integrate to. Select the SAP application. Select the entity. Now select the action and entity actions from the available list, such as Update, and the fields will be automatically mapped by Swift with the underlying SAP fields without you having to worry about it. You can further customize the mappings as needed. Now, let's head back to the SAP Find Browse form in the app. Once you're there, look for the Map View Action form. When you spot it, it's time to map the View Action form you've just created using the relevant fields. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to make sure all your changes are securely stored. Once logged into the web, find the one you just created the View Action form for, and voila! Behold the results of your work. Your View Action form is now ready and mapped to the records within the Find and Browse form, fetching and saving data with SAP S4 HANA in the real time, and customize just the way you like it. That's how it will appear in the mobile app. And there you have it. That's how Swift makes creating and customizing forms, fully integrated with SAP S4 HANA, unbelievably simple and easy to achieve. Enjoy exploring and making the most out of your personalized form.